Hello students, after chapter 7, let us start chapter 8. Your chapter 8, name of the chapter is linear equations. So let us go for it. Linear equations it is just a similar chapter with your previous chapter 7. So in this chapter, you are going to get all the variables in the form of power 1, which means in previous chapters, you got like x cube or x square or y cube, something like that, okay, and there's so many variables, maybe here x also, here y also, but in this chapter, you are going to get mostly the only one variable, means in one question, only one variable. And the power also will be 1, as you know that this is called power. What is the power of x? 1. Here no need to write, but definitely power is there. If you write here 2 x squared, power is 2. So this is called linear. This is called linear equations. This is called quadratic equation. Linear quadratic. If you write x to the power 3, it is called cubic equation. And if you write x to the power 4, then it is called biquadratic equation. Okay. So in this chapter, since the name of your chapter is linear equations, that means you are not going to get any one of the questions like with the power 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, anything. Any one from this you won't be getting. You will be getting only x. Okay. Not only x, means variables like maybe t plus 2 or maybe m minus 9, means these are the whole number constant, but this t always power will be 1. You are not going to get the m cube, x cube, z cube, l cube or l square or b square or b to the power 3, no. Okay. So let us start the first question. And this chapter is very important for your next class, okay, 9, 10, wherever you go, because here you are going, in this chapter you are going to learn so many things which is related to transfer, okay, transposing the coefficient or constant or any variables or any coefficient to left to right or right to left. So as you can see, that question number 1, solve the following. Just we need to solve the following, where question number 1 says that it is given. This is question number 2 and Roman number 1 is 3t minus 11 is equal to 7. Have a look in the question nicely. Question number 1 is just multiple choice questions and fill in the blank. So leave it for that. Fill in the blank you can do yourself. But from question number 2, which is very important, question number 2, solve the following equations, where Roman number 1 is 3t minus 11 is equal to 7. Question is solve. Solve means what? We need to find the value of t. In place of t, what should be written? When we do minus 11, it must come 7. Directly it is very difficult to find out what number will be there. One by one we need to substitute like 1, 2, 3, 4, like that we need to go on, and then only we will find the value of t. But another method says that just make the like terms together and do the calculations. For example, if it is 3t, so 3t minus 11 is equal to 7. This is your question. That means 3t is equal to 7. Because when we search t, there is no t. Because if there is one more t, so that t and this t will become like terms. But here only one t, means only 3t is there. But when we see the whole number which is constant, here 7 and here 11. That means these two are like terms. Okay. Suppose if it is written a plus 3 minus 2 plus 4 plus a minus 2a like that, it means this a and this a, they are like terms, they are together, they can be together. We need to do the solution first with this all, and here whole number you can see 3, 2, 4. These 3 are also like terms, so they are also together. Okay. So from this 3 we need to make only 1, and this 3 we need to make only 1. So similarly here 3t is alone, so let it be there. Now we will transfer this 11 here minus, so this side it will be plus. That is the first starting that you are going to learn. From before only you know, whenever we transfer anything from LHS to RHS, this is equal to, and this is my left hand, so this is called LHS and this is called RHS. You know, this is, if this is equal to, before this side is called LHS and this is called RHS, you know very well. Okay, I hope you didn't forget whatever I taught you last year. So LHS and RHS, so left hand side and the right hand side. So anything you transfer from the left hand to the right hand, it will be opposite in sign. Okay, it will be opposite in sign. So here 3t, so 3t, here 7 is plus, 11 also plus, that means plus plus plus. So when we plus it, 7 plus 11 is 18. Okay, so t is equal to 18. This will come in the form of downside, okay, as a base. 3 ones are 3 and 3 6 are 18. So we are getting t is equal to how much? 6 by 1. 6 by 1 means what? Only 6. 6 by 1 means only 6. Okay. 6 by 1 means 6 by 1 means only 6. If it is 1 by 6 means you need to write 1 by 6. That will be your answer. But 6 by 1 we are taking it only 6. That means the value of t should be how much? 6. So if you write here 6. And if you do minus, you will get the answer 7. For example, this t we are getting how much? 6. So t is your 6. So 3 into 6. So 6 into 3 how much? 18. And 18 minus 11 if you do, it will be how much? 7. So there is a solution for question number 2 and Roman number 1. Okay.